Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Blender package is available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it directly by running next command. Also, you can install a Blender by apt-PPA method. First of all, import the Blender PPA with the next command. After that, import these additional PPAs for multimedia with the following command. Run the next command to reflect the new PPAs. Final step is to install Blender with the next command. And the third method of installation is via Flatpak. You need to install Flatpak. After that, enable Flatpak using the following command. And finally, install Blender using the next command. To adjust Blender, go into your desktop. There you will find an icon. Blender will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.